bless you, keep you. May his face shine upon you and guide you. And may you declare that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss goodbye. And I present, ladies and gentlemen, Beverly.
For me, it's the most romantic day that you could do possibly in the year. Yes, to be married on Valentine's, it's just an amazing day. Thank you very much. If you get the opportunity, make sure that you take it and grasp it with both hands.
Yes.
It's just a splendid, a dream come true.
A dream day.
It is giving each other an atmosphere not in the attitude of duty or sacrifice, but in the spirit. Congratulations to you, Mrs. And may this.
It's like Jack Finney now. You want to go?
Well, in this environment, it's like a fairyland. It's a beautiful setting for a wedding. It's the most romantic building in the world. New York is truly one of the most romantic cities in the world.
Is it okay? Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Think of those couples who can't get married today.
Frankly, it angers me because my husband and I are married, but our marriage license is a valid marriage license in Canada is not being honored here in my own country and my own state, and that does anger me. Today is a day of love, and Valentine's Day is always a great day for people to get their marriage license, which is why we're here.
They call him the Monopoly Man.